This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terri Boiano Zainc. Great 3/2 house. Large open floor plan, Corian countertops and wood cabinets in kitchen, eat-in kitchen area, separate dining area, large walk-in closet, backs up to preserve, comes with hot tub on-screen porch, accordion shutters, window above front doors impact glass, community has swimming pool, sidewalks, street lights, basketball courts, tennis courts and shuffleboard. Meet your neighbors at the monthly gatherings at the pool. For more information, review the details below or contact Terri Boiano Zainc at 772-283-2800.